Hi, this is how to reset and backup the TP Link Archer BE230. So it's very easy to reset this device. Just locate the reset button. It's located on the back panel on the left side. It's labeled reset. You need some sharp and pointed tool. So insert the tool in that hole and gently press until you see the blinking power indicator. Now release the button and all indicators now are going to be turned off like this, and then reset is completed. Now just wait for the Wi-Fi indicators and for the internet indicator, and then you can set up the device from scratch. And a portion of advice for experienced users: guys, always create a backup file once you have the successful router configuration. It saves your time and makes things easier. You don't have to set up your device from scratch. After factory reset, you can just restore all your settings, passwords and device connections in a couple of clicks. So this only can be done from the web interface. I'll show you on my laptop. You have to connect your laptop to the router's network, and in your browser type in the following IP address in the search bar. Here it is. Or just type in the tplink.wifi.net, hit enter, log in to your admin panel, and here you need the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the bottom and click on System, click on Backup and Restore, and just click here on this backup button. Now your backup file is created and saved to downloads, and later after factory reset you can go back to this menu and upload this file to the Restore section and click on Restore, confirm your action. Wait for a while and all your settings will be restored just in 2 minutes. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and be awesome. Bye, guys.